Hi friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, I showed you how to make a control circuit for inverter and switching power supplies. And today, I'm going to show you a 24 volt 30 ampere power supply with the control circuit that I showed you in the previous video. Here is the result. One 24 volt 30 ampere power supply with voltage regulation, soft start and overload protection with current transformer. Now, I will power on. This is the power indicator light and overload indicator light. Output voltage is 24 volt. We can adjust the output voltage through the blue potentiometer over there. Overload current can also be adjusted by potentiometer. Now we will test the overload protection. The protection circuit has worked very well. The output voltage is 0, the overload indicator light shows when I short the output. We will test again. We must turn off the power and turn on the power again to remove the protection layer. After that, the circuit will work normally again. Now I will short circuit the output and we will check the circuit protection during startup. Now, I will power on. The protection circuit works immediately after I turn on the power. The overload indicator light is on, the alarm is overloaded. These are two 24 volt DC motors with 250 watt per motor. The circuit works with two motors perfectly without any problems. Now I will show you how to make one. Details will be introduced after the sponsor's advertisement. This video is sponsored by JLC PCB. One fact about them. JLC PCB is the largest PCB prototype and supplier in China. With over 20,000 online orders per day, the production capacity is over 620,000 square meter, one layer or two layers PCB. Upload Gerber file to get high quality PCB at low price. And here are the results after 1 week. Box and PCB from JLC PCB. Very professional and beautiful PCB. And here is the 800 watt main transformer, winding details you can see in the download file. This transformer is made from EE42 for right core, without internal air gap, material is PC40. This is the gate driver transformer. Small but powerful. Output diode you can use is MBR 20200 or equivalent, with current of 20 ampere, 200 volt. MOSFET can be if460, IGBT, if11N50. All electronic components you can buy at source.net. Source is a leading reputable website, specializing in providing genuine electronic components. You can buy everything here. Electronic components, passive components, sensors, circuit protection, LEDs, electromechanical, accessories and tools. Genuine products from famous brands like Toshiba, Texas, Sanyo, NEC, Philips, Sanken. Please visit the link below the description of this video to choose the best component for you. All components you can see at the top of the PCB. All components are easily available at online stores. This is the original control circuit, but there are some error locations. Here is the circuit I modified accordingly. The version shared with you has been adjusted. Today I have introduced to you a 30 amp 24 volt power supply with voltage regulation and overload protection. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share the video. I'll see you in the next time.